Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best plastic bowls is probably one of the most versatile kitchen essentials you can own, offering a convenient and durable solution for storing leftovers, meal prepping, and even serving food. Whether you're looking for a way to keep your fridge organized, pack lunches for the week, or simply need reliable containers for everyday use, a good set of plastic bowls with lids can significantly streamline your kitchen routine and reduce food waste. In this video, we'll dive into what makes a plastic bowl truly stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your home. Number 5. Rubbermaid 42-piece food storage containers with lids. Tired of messy microwave splatters? Our built-in vents allow steam to escape, ensuring a cleaner heating experience every time. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers. These lids snap together and to the bases, making them incredibly easy to find and store. You can feel good about using these containers. They are BPA-free and safe for both microwaving and dishwashing. Designed for the demands of daily life, these containers feature thick, durable walls that can withstand regular use. This generous set includes 21 containers and 21 lids in various sizes, perfect for storing everything from leftovers to meal preps. Keep your kitchen tidy and organized. The stackable design allows for efficient storage, saving you valuable cabinet space. No more searching for the right lid. Their bright red color makes them instantly recognizable, simplifying your food storage routine. What we like? If you're tired of messy microwave splatters, these containers are for you. Their built-in vents make reheating a breeze. If you also struggle with keeping your container lids organized, their unique snap-together design will be a game-changer for your kitchen. What people say. The bowls are made of durable plastic and come with tight-fitting lids, which is great for storing leftovers. I love the variety of sizes included in this set. They are perfect for meal prepping and portion control. These bowls are microwave and dishwasher safe, making them very convenient for everyday use. Number 4. Fullstar 50-piece plastic food storage containers. Introducing the complete set of 50 food storage containers, offering a variety of useful sizes to meet all your needs. This comprehensive set ensures you have the right container for any meal or snack. These containers are designed for ultimate convenience. They are safe for use in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. Enjoy hassle-free food storage and reheating. Experience worry-free transport of your meals with our airtight and leak-proof lids. The secure snap lock system prevents spills and keeps food fresh, ensuring no odors escape your fridge. Crafted from sturdy, BPA-free polypropylene, these containers are built to last. You can trust that your food will remain fresh and healthy, thanks to the food-safe materials used. Effortlessly organize your pantry and fridge with these stackable containers. They provide a neat and tidy storage solution, making it easy to find what you need. This set comes with helpful extras like sticky labels and a chalk pen to help you keep track of your stored items. Everything you need for perfect kitchen organization is included. What we like? For those who need a comprehensive solution for food storage and meal prep, this extensive set is ideal. The leak-proof and airtight seal ensures your food stays fresh and prevents spills, making it perfect for packing lunches or transporting meals. If you appreciate having a variety of sizes and helpful extras like labels, this is the set for you. What people say. The bowls are made of durable plastic and come with tight-fitting lids, which is great for storing leftovers. I love the variety of sizes included in this set. They are perfect for meal prepping and portion control. These bowls are microwave safe and dishwasher safe, making them very convenient for everyday use. Number 3. Prep Naturals Meal Prep Containers, 30-pack. Introducing the Prep Naturals 30-pack meal prep containers. They are perfect for storing leftovers and preparing meals in advance, making your life so much easier. Crafted from BPA-free materials, these containers ensure your food stays safe. The airtight seal keeps your meals fresh for longer, perfect for busy schedules. Easily manage your diet with these portion control containers. They are ideal for meal prep and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, whether for work or celebrations. These containers are built to withstand a wide temperature range. They are perfect for storing and reheating leftovers, offering hassle-free meal prep. Embrace the festive spirit with these versatile containers. They make batch cooking and storing food a breeze, supporting healthier eating habits all year round. What we like? If you're focused on maintaining a healthy lifestyle and managing your portions, these containers are an excellent choice. They are designed to simplify meal prep and make tracking your intake easy. If you want a convenient way to store and reheat meals, especially around holidays or for regular meal planning, these are a great fit. What people say. The bowls are made of durable plastic and are microwave safe for reheating food. The lids fit snugly, preventing spills and keeping food fresh. They are stackable, which saves a lot of space in the cupboard. Number 2. Deli containers with lids, 8 ounces. Small plastic soup container. Introducing our versatile containers, perfect for both home and food service businesses. They are ideal for storing a variety of food items, from soups and stews to salads and snacks. Enjoy mess-free storage with our leak-proof lids that form an airtight seal. This ensures long-lasting freshness and prevents freezer burn, keeping your food tasting great. These containers are made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, making them safe for microwave use. You can reheat your food without worrying about harmful chemicals. Take control of your portions with these conveniently sized containers. They make meal prepping easier and faster, helping you stay on track with healthy eating habits. Save space in your refrigerator, freezer, or even your gym bag with these stackable containers. They are designed to fit neatly in various spaces. When you're done, simply reuse them by placing them in the dishwasher, washing by hand, or recycling. They are also ideal for packing small items for on-the-go needs. What we like. For small batch storage, individual servings, or even non-food items like slime, these containers are incredibly versatile. Their compact size and airtight seal make them perfect for portion control, travel, or small business use. If you need a convenient and reliable option for storing small quantities of food or other items, these are a practical choice. What people say. The bowls are made of durable plastic and come with tight-fitting lids, which is great for storing leftovers. I love the variety of sizes included in this set. They are perfect for meal prepping and portion control. These bowls are microwave and dishwasher safe, making them very convenient for everyday use. Number 1. Priority Chef Premium Mixing Bowls with Lid Set. Experience superior quality with our mixing bowls, crafted from thicker stainless steel for exceptional durability. They are designed to be lightweight and easy to handle, ensuring a lifetime of use. Our bowls feature a non-slip silicone base that keeps them firmly in place, no matter how vigorously you mix. This ensures stability and prevents unwanted movement during food preparation. Simplify your cooking and baking with bowls that have built-in measurements. This feature allows you to mix and measure in the same bowl, making prep work effortless. Keep your ingredients and leftovers fresh for longer with our tight-fitting, BPA-free lids. They provide an airtight seal to preserve the quality of your food. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations. These bowls are top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Please hand wash the lids. What we like. If you prefer durable and high-quality kitchenware for mixing and prepping, this set is a top contender. The thick stainless steel construction ensures longevity, while the non-slip base provides stability during vigorous mixing. If you value integrated measuring features and a premium feel for your baking and cooking needs, this set is designed for you. What people say. The lids fit snugly and keep food fresh. These bowls are microwave and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The durable plastic material is resistant to stains and odors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.